Good morning, everyone. Today I am doing a through the seasons, and I had made page kits, and this is one of them. This is the summer farmhouse, and then I also am going to be using Brad's from My Mind's Eye Happy Days, and everybody else that's playing along with this through the seasons, they'll be listed below. We all made a page or a kit from things that we already have, and the kit will be used for 3 seasons. So this is, I think this is the first season we're doing this one. Boy, time has gone past. Yeah, then this is actually my first layout. So anyhow, when I had Ashton here, he was, he loved fire engines, he loves different vehicles and things. And anyhow, we went over to the fire station, and so he's like, he's walking around with Grandpa a little bit, but then it's like, as soon as the guy came out to give us a tour, or actually when the first guy came out and sent for the guy to give us a tour, he comes over here and starts walking on these parking concrete things, whatever they're called. And so anyhow, here he is, and you know, it's like he started at the beginning and he's at the last 3, and then he jumps, and I got him up in the air here, and then he walks the other, and I have to say, he went all the way to the end, and then he was trying to take off. So it was like really just a path to get away, I guess. But I thought all of us remember doing this when we were kids, so I thought I'm gonna scrapbook it. I think it's adorable, and so I'm gonna get right to it. So I did the procession of it, and these are the papers I chose. This one has the where are they? 4x6s on one side. This has the floral on the other side, but I love gingham. And then this one has like the little pinwheel, or it's kind of like a quilt, but which I'm thinking, oh, I really love the quilt, but I really love this dot too. So I'm gonna line it up right on the other side of this dot, so I have a little bit of that dot showing all the way down, because I love the way that looks. So I'm gonna do that. And the tape looks good. I shouldn't run out. Put on a new roll the other day, so I hate running out. Okay. Okay, let me get that straight. And I think I used 2 inches here. Oh, I totally slid it over. Sometimes I just need to go with it and tape it down. Okay, that looks like it's straight. Okay, now I'm just gonna do this too. Okay, it's 1/4 inch. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna push it down real hard so I don't lose that spot. Okay, and then I'm just gonna tuck this in also. And I don't remember if there was any scraps of this kit or not, but these were the pieces I had pulled out, and I love all these together. He loved being outside, and he really wanted to see those trucks, and it's like, we're gonna go see the fire trucks. And then he was so shy. I think, if they would have just pulled out the truck and just let him wander around, it would have been fine. And I have some other pictures of him at the fire station too that I'll scrapbook later, but I thought I love this, and I thought it would be really cute with one of these little summer kits that I made, so I thought I'm just gonna do that. Okay, now I've got a spot lined up here, and I'm using my dots also as for lining up. And I really like that. I mean, it's like, it's as good as a line. Okay. I was gonna say, it sounded like I knocked something off, and yep I did, one of my brads. Okay, so I've got that. Okay, now I am going to glue down this bottom part because I'm gonna be overlapping some things. So I always do that when I'm all done, but today I'm gonna have to do it beforehand, otherwise, because yesterday I thought, oh, I should have did some more gluing, but no, you're still able to get in there usually and glue some of the things. Okay, and then I'm gonna do it over here too. And I think that's the only place where I really have to have anything down beforehand. Maybe I'll put a little glue here too. And over here. Okay. Now I should be good. And isn't that so pretty? I just love how that looks. So cute. Gotta put this glue lid on. Sometimes I leave, one time I left it open, I think overnight. And then it took me a while to get it open. Okay, and so I have this little banner piece, and look at how cute this is. It's got like little denim banners and then the little watermelon banners, which I thought was super cute for summer. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna have to stand up. So hopefully I'm not getting really loud. And it's fun to use stuff from the kit because so many times it's like, well, Minty I use always the stuff from the kit, but lots of times I'm like digging for other stuff. But I did go get some brads. Okay, I'm gonna put nothing but blue skies just right above that center there. And then I've got a sticker that has a little cloud and sun, because you could see the little bits of clouds back there, but it's such a beautiful day. It was a perfect day to go see the fireman. Even though he was so shy. And our fireman was Austin, and he was 19 years old. I thought, now there's a guy who knows what he wants to do already. Okay, and then I've got another sticker from the sticker sheet that says the simple things, because isn't that what this is? It's like all the things that give us joy when we're a little kid. And then I have the sticker, it's a jar with flowers in it and a pinwheel. I thought, oh, that's perfect. And I'm actually gonna stick it underneath that and let it overlap the picture. And then I have this one. It's kind of hard to see, but I can actually see it so much better out here when I was looking through it, or looking at it earlier. This one says, every summer has a story, because eventually we will have the whole story of the fire department, which is so funny. I got lots of cute pictures that day. Okay, and then one of the 4x6s was this pocket full of sunshine, and that's going to be my title. I just thought this was so cute that I have to use it. And it was from the other side of this. It's just super cute. And I'm going to have to open up that tape again too, because I just fussy cut it, because I just thought it was just super cute little thing. And I don't want to talk too, I'm going to have more about the fire station later, so it's like I don't have to have too much about the fire station here because it'll be, I'll probably have, I'm thinking 3 or 4 pages of this fire station. And I told my husband, I said, oh my gosh, we got to go over and actually take a picture of the fire station because it's a gorgeous fire station. It looks like a red barn, and it's so cute that I thought I would really like that in one of the scrapbook pages too. Now I got to make sure this is straight because you can't really use the dots because it's, you know, shaped like a pocket. You can get those to lay down. Okay, and then I have this little sticker here of a wagon. It has flowers in it, but I thought I gotta have the little wagon because that looks like such a great boy toy. Okay, now I've got the little brads, and so I'm gonna put a brad here. And where's my little scissors I use for this? So I got my big Tim Holtz scissors. I usually use the little ones, but I'll just use this one today. So I'm gonna stick one right here. And these, oh my gosh, I'm trying to go through 3 papers, or 2 papers, I guess. That was difficult, because this is, well, it's simple stories. So, I mean, it's not like going through Carta Bella, I'm sure. Okay, so, and then I've got a little one I'm going to put down here. Now I keep wanting to pick up that. Okay. Boy, that big Tim Holtz scissors makes a hole. I always put this behind it because it will actually stick to it until you get it turned over. So it works for poking it in and, you know, using the, now do I want to put that here or on this side or down here? I think I'm going to stick it up there. I was afraid to pop it in as hard as that other one went in because I thought, oh, it'd be ripping the top part of the paper. Okay, and then I pulled out little red enamel dots. So I'm going to put some of those around here. And I'm going to pull this off because it'll be easier for me to get them off here. Whoa, I almost dropped it right on the picture. That would have been bad. Okay. I'm going to put it up here. I love the little ones. Glad they put in extra of those. Okay, so that's it for today. Made it super easy using the pocket for a title. Pocket full of sunshine. Now I think it turned out so cute, and it really is a simple layout. Just having the paper kind of does the work. So thank you for joining me. Make sure you check out the girls down below and see what they're doing. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye. Close-ups at the end.